It's not a camera, it's a video. Say hello to everybody.
Hi.
Look up at the camera, Joel.
Yeah. Hello.
How are you?
I'm good.
No, say how are you?
How are you?
You're good, Joel?
Yeah.
Say how are you?
I'm good.
Can never get Joel to say how are you.
Yeah.
You can go ahead, subscribe, and click the bell so you can get all my notifications. Like, comment, and share.
Don't sleep on the floor, Joel.
No.
You
Go
know.
to your bed. You're not. Lie down in your bed. Don't lie down on the
Go
floor.
to the crib, Joey.
Go to the crib or go on the bed.
No.
I don't want to see you lie down on the floor. Want me to help you? I'm helping you. You want to go up on this bed? You want to come up here? Where do you want to go? Where do you want to go? Where do you want to go to sleep? You want to sleep on the floor? Hmm? You want to lie down and sleep on the floor? Lie down wherever you want to lie down.
Joel is out. Yeah. What you doing, Joey? Joey, what you doing?
I was scrubbing the clothes so my nails are turning blue.
Your nails are turning blue?
Yeah, like yours.
So what is that called?
Soap.
No, what you doing?
I'm rubbing the clothes so they're turning blue.
It's called rubbing the clothes?
Yeah, and turning blue.
Oh.
It's washing, Joey.
Washing.
Tell me you're washing.
I'm washing the clothes.
You're washing the clothes.
Yeah.
How do you wash the clothes? Show me.
You have to wash it hard. So like this.
And then you do what?
Then put it against the bowl again. So you don't forget to wash it with the soap.
What you say?
You rub the soap and then you put it in the water. And then
And then each one don't forget to put more clothes in the water.
you put more clothes in the water.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
That's why I take a bath.
Who teach you how to wash?
Oh,
Who teach you how to wash it?
Dada. Whoa! Daddy, get another soap. Whoa. My soap is staying hard. Oh, my side also. Okay. Okay, let's do our soap together. Oh no, my soap.
You doing it together?
Yeah.
Let's see how Dada do it.
Oh, I'm winning.
You're winning?
Yeah, I won.
You sure?
Yeah, I won. Oh, my nails are turning blue.
See, you're not doing it like Dada.
No. He's not winning. He's losing.
He's losing, but he's washing more clothes than you.
I'm washing more clothes than you.
Oh, my soap. Oh.
But you haven't washed one yet, Joey.
That one I washed that one already.
I'm gonna watch this one. I won.
You win.
Yeah, I won.
So jeez.
I spin it. You won. I won. Yeah, we both won, Dad.
Joey.
Yeah.
Go again, go again, go again. You want to do it again?
Press.
Okay, go back to the laundry room and do it from the laundry room. I know. Come on, Joey. You want to come forward now? Okay, press. There we go. Press it, Joey. No, don't press backward. Press forward. I know there's a slight incline. Press it, Joel. Press it, Joel. You can't do it.
Alright, get the